Hello everyone. Let's solve the problem that is related to gravitation and it is asked in 2025 IIT Mains examination. So from physics competitive examination point of view, this problem is crucial to solve and we will learn something new, how to solve this problem and such type of problem. So let us proceed. So the question is, a small point of mass small m is placed at a distance 2r from the center O of a big uniform solid sphere of mass capital M and radius capital R. The gravitational force on small m due to capital M is F1. A spherical part of radius R upon 3 is removed from the big sphere as shown in the figure, and the gravitational force on M due to the remaining part of M is found to be capital F2. Then what will be the value of ratios of the two forces F1 and F2? So in this problem we have to calculate the ratio of the forces F1 and F2 acting on the point mass M. So before proceeding to solve this problem, we will write what are given and what we have to calculate. So what we have to calculate is we have to calculate the ratios F1 is to F2. ये हमें calculate करना है. And what we are given that masses of big solid sphere is capital M, of small sphere that has been carved out. मान लेते हैं M प्राइम, ये हमने M प्राइम मान लिया, जो इसका मास है वो M प्राइम है, ठीक है. And the radius of this small carved out sphere is M R upon 3. So radius of big sphere is capital R and radius of small sphere is R upon 3. So these are the given things, right? And another what is given is that F1 is the force on point mass M due to capital M solid sphere, right? This is given, and F2 is force on point mass M, right, due to remaining part of M, part of big sphere M, ठीक है. So we are given F1 and F2 and masses are given, radius are given. So let us discuss this picture. So yellow part is the big sphere, right, solid sphere, out of which this small spherical portion having the radius R by 3 is removed, right. So before removing, the force is F1, and after removing, the force due to the remaining big part of the sphere is F2, and the carved out small spherical part is having the mass M prime. So these are the things. So let us see. Firstly we have to calculate the mass of small M prime. We have to calculate the mass of carved out small sphere m prime. So m prime will be how much? Density into volume. So density of sphere, see, suppose it is rho and volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is then the density? Density will calculate from the original big sphere, m upon 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this will give the this is the density. Now we can substitute this value, calculate the m prime. So m prime will be calculated as m upon 4 by 3 pi r cube into 4 by 3 pi r by 3 का whole cube, that means r cube upon 27, right? So what you will get? This portion and this portion will cancel out, right? We'll have how much? We'll have m prime is equal to capital M upon 27. So this is the mass of the small sphere, right? So now let us calculate the what? So we have to calculate F1 upon F2. So F1, you know, F1 is equal to see, forces are F1 and F2 are the gravitational forces. So see, this is the distance of the point mass small m, that is the 2r, right? So we'll use this. So F1 is equal to capital G, capital M, small m, and distance between the capital M and small m, that is the 2r whole square. This is the F1, right? This is the F1. Now F2 is equal to force due to the whole big sphere minus फोर्स ड्यू टू द स्मॉल, क्योंकि स्मॉल स्फीयर को निकाल दिया गया तो उसके वजह से जो फोर्स पॉइंट मास पर लग रहा है उसका हम लोग वैल्यू कम कर देंगे. तो हमारा F2 क्या हो जाएगा? ओरिजिनल फोर्स F1 माइनस फोर्स ड्यू टू द स्मॉल स्फीयर. समझ रहे हैं? स्मॉल स्फीयर का फोर्स निकाल देंगे तो स्मॉल स्फीयर का फोर्स जो है क्या हो जाएगा? कैपिटल जी. और अब तो स्मॉल स्फीयर का फोर्स रखेंगे यहाँ पर, तो कैपिटल एम की जगह पे यहाँ पर क्या रहेंगे? एम प्राइम एम अपॉन डिस्टेंस कितना रह जाएगा? ठीक है. अब डिस्टेंस जो है, अब देखिए यहां पर अब यहां सोचने वाली बात है, ध्यान दीजिएगा. ये जो है टोटल जो है रेडियस ऑफ द बिग स्फीयर कितना है? r है. इसका मतलब जो इस लाइन तक यहां पर r है तो रिमेनिंग पार्ट कितना हो गया? r ही हुआ. ये 2r है टोटल, तो r निकल गया तो r बचा. अब ये जो अंदर का जो रेडियस है वो कितना है? r/3 है कि नहीं? स्मॉल स्फीयर का रेडियस कितना है? r/3 है. तो this much distance is r/3, right? So the distance of point mass m from the small sphere m prime is equal to what? r/3 plus r, that is 4r upon 3. So this is the distance, small r, right? So this is the distance. Okay, so 4r upon 3. So we'll put that value. 4r upon 3 whole square, right? So this will be the F2, F1 minus force due to the small sphere, जो कि निकाल दिया गया है, ठीक है। तो हम लोग m प्राइम की वैल्यू रख देंगे, देखिए F1 की वैल्यू, दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर 2, substituting the values of F1 from the equation number 1, G capital M small m upon 2r whole square minus G m prime is equal to m upon 27 into small m upon 16 r square upon 9। ये हो गया। अब देखिए इसमें क्या कॉमन है वो बाहर लेते हैं, G कैपिटल M स्मॉल m, G कैपिटल M स्मॉल m बाहर, और इसमें देखिए ये भी क्या है 4r स्क्वायर है, इसमें 16r स्क्वायर है, तो इसमें से कॉमन हो जाएगा हमारा, क्या कॉमन हो जाएगा, G कैपिटल M स्मॉल m अपॉन 4r स्क्वायर कॉमन। सो हमारे पास क्या बचा, दिस इज ऑल आउट, नाउ दिस आउट, वी गेट 9 upon 4 is common out, so 9 upon 4 into 27. This is the, now we cancel out 9, 3 are 27, so we get G capital M small m upon 4 r square 1 minus 1 upon 12. That means we get 12 minus 1, that is 11. So we get capital G capital M small m upon 4 r square into 11 upon 12. So this is the F2. This is F2. And this whole is the F1 from the equation 1. We get F2 is equal to F1 into 11 upon 12, but we are being asked the ratio F1 is to F2. So F1 upon F2 is equal to 12 upon 11. That means F1 is to F2 is equal to 12 is to 11. This is the desired ratio. This is the ratio F1 is to F2, 12 is to 11. So we can calculate the ratio in this way. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment, and if you like this videos, press the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe the Hira Cosmos channel. If you are watching on the Facebook, please like and follow our Facebook page Hira Cosmos. Thank you so much. We will bring the next problem solving technique in the coming video. Thank you.